Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, come! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing.
What was that for? Come on, keep your head.
I need to get up there. Finish up here and join us on board.
Go on, get on there. Faster. All yours, Captain. Go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and don't let you get shot. Go. Everything you got. Money, valuables. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
Par pitié, je vous en prie.
I ain't got nothing. Want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
I am adverse.
What's the problem here?
My dear.
Money, valuable, now!
Do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Come on. Okay. In the bag, everything you got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
Please, please.
I want to count to 3. God damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be... Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Reach out.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
Why
that?
you wasting my time?
You show me, son of a bitch, we ain't playing around here. Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.